Hey guys, back with their video. This is part 1 of the restoration of the Hoover Air Cordless High Capacity Dirt Cup Wind Tunnel 2 channels of suction cordless vacuum. This is Goodwill find. We literally just got it today. It does turn into a hand vac. It's missing one tool, but it is the power airbrush, and I don't use those things, so I'm not mad. But otherwise, it has that. And oh yeah, the battery does come off. You can pop it off and put it on the charger, and that charges. It does work, but it's not sucking up anything because it is clogged. It's sucking up here, but it's not sucking up at the power head. So yeah. I was just wandering and looking at it, trying to look for some way to possibly take this off, but I do not think there is a way, mainly just because it's attached. So I'm guessing there's no way to do that. So we'll just have to work on it like this. So let me get up close to you. I have my cleaning tools here, so. There's the brush roll. It's very, very hairy. Not as very hairy as I thought it would be, but it's hairy. So we pop this off. The easy access brush roll cover. So that comes off. That's clean. And there's a couple doohickeys on it, but here's what we're looking at, that clog right there. So we're just gonna take that out. But otherwise it is like up in there. There we go. Now you can see through it. Jeez. Ugh. It's disgusting. Yeah, there's feathers and lint and crap all up in there. But I literally just got this and I'm excited to eventually get it working. Alright, so we got a brush roll. I have some scissors. I haven't looked at any videos of it except for one, and it wasn't about cleaning it. It was just general about the vacuum cleaner, like how to charge the battery and stuff. It wasn't about how to clean it. So I'll pull all this out. I've actually never owned a Hoover in my life, so this is my first ever Hoover, which is cool. This thing does not look like it's ever been used, almost, just first hints, duh, it has crap in it. But otherwise, there was still a sticker on the little logo on the front of the vacuum. I've already taken it off. But the brush roll looks perfectly fine. Like, nothing ever happened to it. The belt is perfectly fine. The lights haven't dimmed whatsoever. I mean, it works perfectly. I have not fiddled with it except for in the store a little bit just to make sure it was fixable. So, yeah. And there that is. It looks a lot better. Oh, I still have to put this on there. So make sure you have it all lined up correctly. And put that in there. Put this one in there. Oh, you have to put this in first, and then you go That is weird. I don't know why that's like that. But look at these. So they gotta kind of pop it in there because it's kind of not wanting to go in there. Yeah, alright, that doesn't want to go in there, so I'm just gonna not. There we go. Alright, that one locked in. They're bent. Somebody tried to mess it up and it got all weird. So there's that. The bottom is put in correctly. This went by a lot quicker than I thought it would, but I'm still going to wipe it down. In the next video, that'll be what that is. But, yeah. The battery is fully charged. It was fully charged at the store. So, I guess we'll give it a test. Let me do this real quick. Because there's some hair stuck in the... See what I mean? I literally just took the sticker off of that. So that's cool. Alright, our filters are a little bit dirty. I'll just dust that off. And take this out. And pull some of the hair off of that. Just to get better airflow. So there we go. Let's pop this back in there. This doesn't really matter which way it goes in, just as long as that's in front. See if this suctions any better. Now that, sorry. Wash every 4 to 6 uses. So, like, that's a little too long. Oh, it wasn't lined up correctly. Let's see if this suction's better. Oh yeah, the suction's a lot better. It's not a very noisy vacuum, but I'm not saying it's the quietest, so there's that. Alright, let's give her a get. This is the hard floor setting. And the carpet setting. Well, I'd say it did a pretty good job. I'll show you. This room has been recently vacuumed, so there's not a lot, but it did pick up pretty well, so. It does work pretty well. You can check the battery life to pop it off, and you can press the button and you can check the battery life. Like I said, it's fully charged. I have no idea how long the batteries last on these. literally new idea. But next video will be of it all nice and cleaned. And yeah, bye.